Valentine's Day is around the corner, and this is just my reminder to tell you to be your best you. When I was younger, and I grew up in a conservative town, I went to a conservative credit union. One day, I was on the phone with them trying to get access to my account. And after answering all the security questions correctly, they said, "Sorry, you cannot access your account." I asked them why, and they said, "Because I believe I am talking to a woman right now." I tried to explain that I am a guy with a higher voice, but they wouldn't buy it. I got off the phone, I was really upset, and I went to my voice coach and I asked her, "Can you help me sound more like a guy, like a lower voice? I'm embarrassed that my voice is so high." And she said, "If you want to sing lower, I can help you with that. But I'm not going to try to change your talking voice if it's like, well, supported." You need to be your best you. Be a first-rate version of yourself and not a second-rate version of somebody else. You have a unique voice, keep it. It's what makes you who you are. So I'm mentioning this because especially in times like these where there is so much hate against anybody who may be remotely not just bland, vanilla, basic. I'm just telling you, stay who you are. Love yourself, because at the end of the day, you are a spark that makes the world a better place. Otherwise, it would be boring as fuck. Nobody wants
Cheers,
that.
darling.
And have a cocktail while you're at it. Why not celebrate?
Next level, bitch. The shit is so fucking good.